Hello everyone and welcome to this new video where I'll explain how to create a sprite and let them talk in any language that you want, and it can translate whatever you write into a specific language that you select. So let's get started, and this is what it will look like. So I'll introduce a few new code blocks for this video, and in this we'll start with a event, which is when the sprite is clicked, and then it will ask about a sentence which you can type. So it's a ask command, which is basically coming from the sensing, and then there will be language translations. So we have three steps for that. One is to set the language to whatever language you select, and then set the voice to some standard voice, and then it will speak whatever command you give, whatever sentence you type to a specific language. So these are all the steps. So I'll show you how to do it step by step, and let's start a new project. So I'll click on new project, and here I'll have to delete the old sprite and add a new sprite here. So I'll add one boy whose name is Sasha. So let's add that. And we can also choose a background here. So let's put Sasha in some nice background. Let's say this bench. So Sasha is standing on a bench, and then we will start with our event. So first event, you know how it works when flag is clicked. So this is the starting point, and then what happens when the flag is clicked. So we'll go to the looks. So if you select here, it will say like a lot of things are here. Like looks is basically what this thing will look like. So it can say something, it can think something, it can switch costume. So we'll go all over these commands in our next videos, but for now I'll select hello for few seconds. So and this we can change this text. So I'll change it here to click me to trans translate to Spanish. And with that, I have I'll have it wait for, let's say, 6 seconds. So once that happens, let's see how it works. So if you select this, and if you have to click on this, it will say, like, if you just have this code block, it will just stay for 6 seconds and it will show a bubble like that. So after that, we'll add a new set of event and other code blocks. So here we'll start with when the sprite is clicked. So this sprite is saying click me. So next command will be like when the sprite is clicked. So let's find out what is where we can do that. So when the sprite is clicked, we have to it has to ask something. So that is basically sensing. So sensing is it will ask something, and then it will use the answer in some way. So let's see how it works. So ask and wait. So ask, tell me a sentence to translate, and wait. So it will ask the sentence, and what it does next, it will translate. So to do that, we have to go to this new area where we can use the translation, which is here. So we'll select this, translate. So now I'll add one more extension, which is text to speech. And with that, I can complete this exercise. So what I'll do here is set language to any language. So here I'll do it for Spanish. You can select any other language and try creating your own translations. So we'll do it for Spanish, and then we'll set the voice. So set the voice to, you can select a lot of choices here. So I'll do it for, let's say, tenor, and then I will allow it to speak. So this is another code which is to speak a certain thing. So what it will speak is will come from this translate. So from translate, I'll pick this code block. So speak, first it will have to speak, and what it will speak the translation of this sentence to Spanish. So first I select my language, which is Spanish. So Spanish is here, and then it will select the translation of this answer. So I have to go to answer, which is in the sensing. So remember, sensing is basically asking something and using that answer to do something else. So it asked us to what I need to translate, and then using that answer here to translate my sentence. So now let's see how this whole thing works. So I'll click here. It's asking me to click me to translate to Spanish. So I'm clicking here. It's asking, and then I have to create hi, how are you, and it will basically translate all that to here. So
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
so that's all in this video, and I hope you liked it. You can try out different languages, different options to ask people, and then translate it to different languages. Hope you liked our videos. So if you want to subscribe, please do so and support our channel. And you can also watch a lot of other videos in our channel. So hope to see you there. Thank you.